So a couple weeks ago, I did a first ride on a CBR 1000, and that's Hunter Honda's CBR 1000. Brand new bike to him. It's a 2017 or 2018 bone stock. So I did a first ride on it, and my whole thought after I did that ride was, this bike needs some mods, and it needs some mods fast. So I reached out to Motivation. If you guys don't know Motivation, they provide a lot of the parts that I put onto my bikes. I was like, I have an idea, let me know what you think. And they said, we're in. Today, I'm going to be going to steal Hunter's bike from his house. I've been trying to do this probably it's been at least a month, probably closer to 2 months that I've been trying to do this. But Hunter, he keeps leaving town. So I haven't been able to find a time where I've been able to coordinate with either his girlfriend, his dad, my own time, or him actually being in town. Today, it's gonna happen. So Fry is on his way. We're gonna go down to his house, steal his bike. He's at work. Bring it back here, install the new exhaust, and bring it back to him after he gets home from work and realizes that his bike is gone. I think it's gonna be incredible. I can't wait to do it. Hunter's gonna flip. Fry's here. So we're gonna go jump in the car, head down there, and take Hunter's bike. You ready to go steal the bike?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I got 2 phones.
You have 2 phones?
I have 2 phones.
One for your...
one for the inside job we've got going on, and the other one for fun.
Oh, okay.
That sound's not gonna be here for long. The goods are secured. I've got the bike. Gonna head back to my house. Here's our plan. What we're gonna do. Hunter's at work right now. Last night, to get more information from him, I tried to get him to go on a ride this evening, but he said he had too much stuff to do. He said he had to get his truck inspected, and he was gonna be editing a video. With that information, he told me that he was gonna be home around 6 because the inspection place closed at 5:30. So what we're gonna do is around 5:30, Fry is gonna text him and say, hey, I'm in the area. I want to come stop by and say hey. So that'll help us find out if he's actually home or on his way home or when he will be home. So Fry will go by and you know, chit chat, say hi. Fry hasn't seen this bike yet though, so Fry is just gonna casually bring up, hey, I want to see the new bike. So Hunter will take him to go see the new bike, but the bike won't be there, and then Fry will be able to shoot me a text and I'll come rolling in, give some revs. He'll realize what's going on. But the biggest challenge here is going to be doing the install. I don't know how fast I can do it. I've never worked on a CBR. I've never worked on a Honda sport bike. It should be pretty straightforward. Don't imagine it should be that much different from any other bike that I worked on, but sometimes you run into hiccups here and there. But I think I'll have maybe about 2 hours, but I will see you guys at home. Nope, got passing 2 sheriffs. Please don't pull me over because this is not my bike. That would be really awkward.
All right, I made it home faster than expected. It's like 2:25 right now. Bike looks great. I think Hunter must have recently cleaned it, but it's hot right now. And I'm gonna be handling the exhaust. So I gotta let it cool off a little bit, but I do wanna get a sound test before we do the install. So let's do a quick sound test. Then I might spray it down with a little bit of water just to help it start cooling down. And I'll start taking off fairings. It looks like it's just got maybe 1 or 2 like lower side fairings. It does have a little servo motor that I might have to be dealing with. That seems like it might be the only complication. Let's hurry up. All right, got about 2 hours. Exhaust is cooled down enough that I can handle it for the most part. I'll probably put some gloves on just to start, but let me show you guys what exhaust we got. Ready? Sure you ready? Bam. SC Project exhaust, this is a CRT. If you watch the video back when I raced the other S1000, if you saw that video, I'll link it in the description. His bike had the CRT SC Project exhaust on his S1000. They look awesome, they sound awesome, and we're gonna be putting one on this bike right here. Woo! Oh my goodness, guys, look at this exhaust. They do it in a couple different versions, so you can get ones with carbon fiber finishes, you can get ones with no carbon fiber and color, and this one is probably one of my favorites. It's just the, pretty sure it's a titanium exhaust, but this one has the laser etched SC Project logo on it. You guys know I like my super clean welds. Look at that. That is so freaking clean, and it's so light. It's so light. Obviously, no servo mount on this. Once you remove the servo motor, if it's not actually connected to any sort of valve or anything like that, it might trip an error, it might just be annoying, and I can just get a servo buddy for him later. It's also something that you can get rid of when you do an ECU flash on your bike. They can just program that in. So I'm gonna start taking off the fairings, and then we can take off the stock exhaust, which is massive, and then figure out how we're gonna mount this up. If you want an SC Project exhaust, motivation is your place. Let's get to it. There we go. One piece down. Look how smaller this cat is than the one that was on my S1000 and then the one that comes on the R1. This whole giant monstrosity under this bike. Cables are going up under the seat, so we'll probably have to take the seat off. So this is the servo motor right here, if I'm not mistaken. So there we go. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to remove this brake reservoir. Here is the motor right here. Where this plugs in, you'll just plug in that servo buddy, and basically it just tricks the ECU into thinking that this is connected, and then those cables connect to here and they control a little valve in the exhaust. So once we can loosen up the exhaust, these will just thread right out of here. All right, so the motor has a little cover on it that closes up the undertail right there. So imagine it just, there we go. Here. Okay, I do have to put the fairing on. By the way, Fry came over.
Hi. You may be wondering why I changed my shirt.
Oh yeah.
Why did I change my shirt? So I could put my phone in here. Also, I spilled beans on the other shirt.
Dude, this looks so good, especially with the glossy black rear wheel. So that was really stupid simple. Primarily because we're not removing the headers, but we're gonna go ahead and tidy this up. All I gotta do is stick that fairing on, then I'll wash her up, get it all nice and clean. It's 4 o'clock, so we got plenty of time. All right, now we're done. Dude, this looks so good.
Everyone's gonna think we did it for Hunter, but the truth is we did it for us. So we had to look at it all the time.
We're tired of looking at an ugly stock exhaust. I think the only exhaust that I've seen that's bigger than this on a sport bike is the H2 exhaust, like the silencer portion. All we gotta do, roll it out, start her up, and we'll see how the rest of the night goes. Oh my gosh.
I hope you don't call the cops on us, Hunter.
Yeah, our only concern is that he's immediately going to either call the cops or start posting. So we're trying to make it so that I can show up like minutes after he discovers it's gone. Dude, I cannot wait to see how he reacts. Just gonna get a little bit of rinse down and we'll head out.
Hi, Hunter. Dude, I was like, holy cow, the driveway's being blocked by all these deer. They'll come all the way down here?
Oh yeah, dude, there'll be like 20 of them almost. Yeah, it's crazy.
You're finally in town this weekend, huh?
I know.
You're pulling a fry now. And you're going
almost-
to Dallas every weekend.
almost-
Well, anyway, yeah, I had to get Megan because we're trying to keep miles off all our cars since we have 3, they all break down. I'm like, well, I've been holding on to something for you.
Holding on to something.
You got to go get your bike first.
I gotta get my
Because I've had
bike?
it since my buddy gave it to me when I got my first CBR. I never used it, and I found it going through the attic today. Come here.
I guess it's on the back.
Your bike?
I don't know where it is.
You serious?
Feel my heart rate.
What do you mean? You actually
What?
lost it?
I keep it up there. Is that it? What the hell is going on? What?
What do you mean?
What?
What's that?
Oh my god. It has an exhaust on it.
Maybe.
Wow! Oh, dude, look at me. I am like so nervous. What?
You didn't question why I had a
Pulled up
GoPro?
on their S1000 or something? Like, what the heck?
You like it?
Wow, I'm in love. Oh my god, how did y'all freaking do this? Wow.
Lots of work.
Oh, man. Man, look at my hand.
Well, see your hands, Brent. Are you shaking too?
I was nervous, right? Oh my god. Woo. You like low side down the gravel. Wow. Dang. Oh, I'm like shaking, man.
Turn it on. I want to hear it again.
Crap. I'm so in love with how it looks. And I don't have to mess with I don't have to take it somewhere to get it installed, right? It's just already on now.
No, fire it up.
God.
Listen to this thing idle.
Man.
Yeah. I gotta say, that's one of the best sounding exhaust systems on a CBR for sure.
Wow. All right, y'all gotta tell me the story. Like, how was this planned?
Wait, no, did you actually go open it?
Yeah.
What did you think?
There was nothing there. I was like, did I park it on the back porch? There's no way. I rode the monkeys last. It wasn't there, and I walked up to Fry, and he's all, oh yeah, I saw this Corvette. It was up here on the road, acting all casual, and I was starting to shake, and my heart rate was, and I was like, dude, feel my heart rate. Like I'm not lying. I don't know where it is. Oh, and then I heard the bike, and I was like, okay, maybe Brent or somebody on their S1000 is gonna pull up and be like, where's your bike, bro? And then I see my bike, and I'm like, wait, it sounds different. What the heck? I didn't put 2 and 2 together that it sounded so different.
Dude, you want to know how long I've had this exhaust?
Oh my God.
Probably like a month and a half.
So is this motivation? Is this
Yeah,
So I just messaged them, and I was like, I see a new delivery of exhaust just showed up. Man, this is the best surprise ever.
He's telling me that he just doesn't know if he can wait any longer for an exhaust. He's gonna go get like a Cobra exhaust, and he's like, what the heck even is a Cobra exhaust?
Man, I'm in love. I gotta take it for a spin real quick.
Yeah, you do.
Like, I gotta
Dude,
hear
I
it.
heard it. I knew it was coming, and I heard that sucker way down there. I was like, oh crap, he's gonna hear it. I'm like, oh no, he's gonna hear it. He's gonna know.
I was so on another place. bike looks clean too. I don't know if
I washed it.
man. I don't know how to handle my. I've never had such a like collaborative surprise like this before.
Yeah, I was nervous. I didn't know if you were gonna be like, man, but I wanted to put it on, or be like, man, I changed my mind. I actually didn't want that exhaust.
Man, I can't believe this. I just feel so. It's not my birthday or anything. You know about this?
Can't sell the bag.
Yeah.
I saw a motorcycle look just like that on my way to the store a while ago.
Yeah, it was him.
I'm a new YouTuber. I don't have a real camera. I'm vlogging on a GoPro. All of my batteries for my other camera died. But look at all the deer.
I'll take
No hunter.
about as close as you're gonna get right there. This is the best surprise ever.
Enjoy. Let's go riding soon.
All right, Mr. Hunter, Honda.
Guys, see ya.
I'll see you later. Success.
His reaction was perfect.
Perfect. All right, so that could not have gone better. I'm so excited for Hunter. His reaction was incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Make sure you hit the like button if you liked the video. If you want to get an SC Project exhaust, make sure you check out the link in the description to Motivation. And not just the SC Project exhaust, but any motorcycle parts that you guys are looking for, Motivation is a great place to look. They're a massive support for the channel, and so any support that you guys can give them is incredible. So that's gonna be it. I'm really excited for the first ride that I can take with Hunter with his new exhaust. You squirmy? You don't want to sit anymore? You need to go work on your motorcycle? But yeah, I'm super stoked. So that's gonna be it. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. If you want to get any of my merch, you can get it at motonosity.com/shop. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys get notified of all the videos coming out. I got some exciting stuff coming soon. I just got a shipping notification for something for the S1000, so I'm probably gonna get that stalled within the next week. So make sure you subscribed. You guys have been awesome. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived, and I'll see you guys in the next one.